Hello, my name is Jose Ignacio Pazmiño, and my presentation today is going to be about solutions versus suspensions and colloids. Solutions. So basically solutions are homogeneous mixtures of different substances. One of them is a solvent and the other one is a solute. The particles of the solute are distributed in a uniform way among the particles of the solvent. In the case of my solution, water is the solvent and alcohol is the solute. Suspensions. On the other hand, suspensions are heterogeneous mixtures. The solid particles will spread through a liquid, but in this case they will not dissolve. Something that makes suspensions different from colloids and/or solutions is that suspensions can be separated by filtration. Suspensions are also visible through the naked eye, and solutions are not. In my example of suspension, you can clearly see that the oil of the product goes up and the water stays down. Colloids. Colloids are a form of heterogeneous solutions. They are considered to be something between solutions and suspensions. It has particles that range between 1 and 1,000 nanometers in diameter. However, they still can be evenly distributed through the solution and remain visible. In order for something to be considered a colloid, the substance in the dispersed phase has to be larger than the size of a molecule, but not as big so that it can be seen without a device. Another notable difference between colloids and suspensions is that in suspension, the size of the particles is always greater than 1,000 nanometers. It does not vary or range like in the case of colloids. In the case of suspension, the particles will settle down well and the particles in colloids will not separate. The way these mixtures can be used in other fields vary a lot. In the case of the suspension product, it can be used in gastronomic as well as in the cosmetic field since I used a makeup remover. Colloids are generally used as thickening agents in industrial products such as lotions or even toothpaste. Okay, so in my example of colloid, my example was to mix butter with water. These are my sources, and well, that is basically it.